Welcome back to another daily doodle video. Today I'm going to try and draw an elf for you. So we're going to start, I'd say about up here. Let's draw his face. That's his head. I'm going to give him a hat. Just like that. Then we want to give our elf big ears. Continue with his face. Yeah, just like that. Now we're going to continue with his dressing and body. Okay, so when you get to this point, we're going to continue with his body. Now I decided that I'd like my elf to actually sit on a Christmas present, so we're going to try and draw that as well. The iconic shoes. Now I'm going to try and draw his other leg as well, in a slightly different angle perhaps. Alright, he's going to be wearing stripy socks. We're going to draw those in a minute. Right, so his clothing, that's complete. So I'm just going to draw in a box that he's actually sitting on top. So let's say the front edge is going to be about here. Maybe the back edge is going to be there. And I'd say it's going to be about this tall. Right, now I am also going to add a ribbon to our Christmas present. It's going to be about here. Drew that line a little bit too long. Oh well, not to worry. Let's just move on. Okay, finishing touches on the ribbon. Right, just a bit more detail on the ears. Okay, so now I've decided that I'm also going to color in the elf for you today. So we're going to start with his stripy socks. Then I'm also going to add stripes to his hat. Right. And I'm going to give him rosy cheeks. There. Why not color in the ribbon as well on the Christmas present? Again, of course, you can choose any color. feel like I'm being a little bit messy today with my lines, but oh well, never mind that. Okay, then I'm going to switch over to my green marker pen, and I just sort of wanted to color in his dress. I'm using classic Christmas colors here, green and red, very simple. And I'm just going to leave these buttons here blank, but of course, if you decided to join me on this coloring adventure, you can select any color. And actually, I'm going to color in his trousers green as well, so don't worry if the lines merge. And I'm also just going to sort of color in his shoes. Do the other one as well. Okay, right, and sort of just as a finishing touch, I decided that I'm going to add some little stars again, and little sparkles to the background, little dots, make it magical. Okay, right, that's it today. I hope you liked it. Maybe you tried it, and tomorrow I'll come with something new. See you there.